Fans, and welcome to the Scott Sports 101 Thursday Night Football postgame show. Well, the Jacksonville Jaguars got their first win of the season tonight. The Jaguars beat the Tennessee Titans 20-7 at TIAA Field in Jacksonville, Florida. And the Jaguars defense just made it so difficult for Tennessee to score tonight. And everybody on that Jacksonville and the Titans defense struggled to score all night. And everybody on that Jaguar defense just dominated in this game tonight. And Titans quarterback Marcus Mariota was sacked 9 times tonight in this game. And Mike Vrabel is not even close to benching Mariota yet, but I think he needs to be. And I think a lot of people are going to agree with me on that. He really struggled tonight in this game, and he was 23 of 40 carries and attempts, 282 yards, and no touchdowns. Didn't score any of them tonight. Never threw any touchdowns. Well, he did throw one, but and to say the least of all, his players are always to be blamed, are always blamed for this. So. But, I mean, the Titans just really struggled tonight, both offensively and defensively. And they just could not get it together. But, boy, what a night for Jacksonville. The Jacksonville, they go to 1-2. Tennessee falls to 1-2. Now, both teams are 1-2. But Jacksonville, this is really going to give them a lot of confidence. And Gardner Minshew, the second, Jaguars quarterback, he's one that gets a game ball tonight. 20 of 30 yards, carries and attempts, 204 yards, 2 touchdowns. Leonard Ferrante is another one that gets a game ball. 15 carries, and it's 66 yards. And DJ Clark, he's another one that gets a game ball. 4 receptions. 76 yards and 1 touchdown. So those are the game balls for tonight's Thursday night game. And I did not win, unfortunately, at my first pick of the week. I took the Titans, and my brother-in-law did as well. And I think my brother-in-law probably did as well. I don't know yet, but I marked it right now, so we'll see. But we're both 1-1. And I just really feel what a great matchup tonight between what a great game for the Jacksonville Jaguars, and the fans were just ecstatic, and they were behind Jacksonville all the way in this game tonight. And just Gardner Minshew the second, boy, he just had an incredible game. His father and his entire family were just so proud of him tonight, and it was just Jacksonville's night all the way. Jacksonville had this game in hand from the get-go, and they just never let up in this game. And I'll have all the rest of the picks of the week for you on Sunday and on the Monday Night Pick on Monday. But just a great game, just a great night for the Jaguars, and just all around. And they just really had this game in hand just from the start. And, next Thursday night we'll have a great matchup for you. The Philadelphia Eagles will take on the Green Bay Packers at legendary Lambeau Field in Green Bay, Wisconsin, and that'll be a great matchup. And but this week though, the Philadelphia Eagles play Detroit in Philadelphia, and the Green Bay Packers play the Denver Broncos at legendary Lambeau Field, and that should be a pretty good game. And but next Thursday should be a pretty good game between the Eagles and the Packers as well. But getting back to tonight's game, but it was Jacksonville's night, and I thought the Titans would come out and do more, but they struggled, and it did not help with Marcus Mariota getting sacked 9 times. They did not protect Marcus Mariota like they should have, and they just did not put any pressure on Jacksonville's offense or defense. Jacksonville's defense made it hard for the Titans to make the plays and score touchdowns tonight. And but they did score one touchdown, and the extra point was good. So that was all they got tonight. So you got to know it was just not a good night for the Tennessee Titans as they fall to 1-2. But Jacksonville gets their first win, and they go to 1-2. So hopefully they can keep up their winning streak. So Jacksonville just led in this one from the get-go, and there was just no doubt about it that Jacksonville just never let up, and they went on to win it. And so it was just Jacksonville's night tonight. So that being said, that is just about going to wrap it up for the Scott Sports 101 Thursday Night Football post-game show. And I'll be back on Sunday with Scott Sports 101 NFL Football Sunday early games pregame show. And then after all of the games conclude, the post-game show of the early games and the late games pregame show, and Sunday Night Football pregame postgame when the Browns take on the Rams, and the Monday Night Football pregame postgame and when Chicago and Washington will square off. But until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day, in every way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1, I'm done.